here at 60 Elgin Park, and this is a nice example of a Victorian home that has been renovated into several condos. So here it's about 1,300 square foot, 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, and right now it's listed at $1.2 million. I'm here at Fulton 555, which is at 555 Fulton Street here in Hayes Valley. And this is a newer development. It was built in 2016. It's got 139 units, and it actually does have some really nice variety in terms of pricing. There's 1-bedrooms, 1-bath, all the way down into the mid 700s. But also, if you want, right now for sale, there's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, just shy of 2,000 square foot on the top level.